8.80 gram drugs and cash of 1,05,920 rupees was recovered from a vehicle bearing number ML05U-0767 coming from Mizoram. Kanchanpur police arrested a drug dealer named Subish Chakma in the incident. By the initiatives of Kanchanpur Ushi Udham Devarma on Saturday, 8.80 gram drugs and cash of 1,05,090 rupees was recovered from a vehicle bearing number ML05U-0767 coming from Mizoram. Kanchanpur police arrested a drug dealer named Subish Chakma in the incident. He is the resident of Khantlang area of Mizoram Mamit district. Police were keeping an eye on him as he used to trade drugs to Tripura from Mizoram, but they could not arrest him because they had no opportunity. On this day, his wife and child was also present, but Kanchanpur police did not arrest them.
अरे भाई
Reported by Birdo Kumar Riang from Kanchanpur, Chini Khorang.